We are back checking out LiTime's 230 amp hour version of the low temp protection battery. These are really great. Actually, I have two of these batteries. I have the 230 and the 280 amp hour in my solar setup, and it is a lot of power, pretty nice for off-grid. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech. You can get an additional discount on top of this. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over to that page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So let's get into looking at the details on this battery. LiTime's upgraded 12-volt 230 amp hour battery has smart Bluetooth 5.0. All new upgraded 12-volt 230 amp hour battery with low temp cutoff protection and the Bluetooth 5.0 allows easy monitoring and control right from your phone. Features self-developed 200 amp hour BMS with 20 plus protections and EV grade LFP cells with 4,000 plus deep cycles, meaning you can charge and recharge this battery over 4,000 times, which is years and years and years. After that, you can continue to use this battery at reduced output, kind of like you do with your cell phone from day one, but this battery will charge up to 100% over 4,000 times first. Outperforms lead acid batteries and any other type of battery, in my opinion. Ideal for RVs, home backup, off-grid, marine power needs. Upgrade to smart Bluetooth power today by picking one of these up. Ultimate RV trailer camper power solution. Choosing a powerful battery is crucial for your RV trailer and camper adventures because the battery actually going to determine how much watts you can get out of your inverter. This 12-volt 230 amp hour battery meets all your power needs, has an increased output capacity. With one battery, simplify your setup. You don't have to hook up multiple batteries. Fuel your journey with confidence, convenience, and the freedom to explore without these limitations. So you have a simple setup. You got your MPPT from your solar panels coming in, charging your one battery up instead of having multiple batteries connected. You only have to hook up straight your MPPT, straight to your inverter, and you can hook up any normal appliances like you plug into your house. Control and oversight of your battery right at your fingertips. Upgrade to LiTime's 12-volt 230 amp hour battery with smart Bluetooth for the ultimate convenience on your RV trailer, camper, marine adventures, or overland. This powerful battery allows you to monitor real-time battery data and status, control discharge on and off, check the entire battery system with just one tap. Enjoy ease and peace of mind that comes with having control over this entire system right at your fingertips. And I do like the LiTime app. I think it runs pretty well. It's pretty simple. It gives you everything you need. Safeguard your battery in freezing conditions. Now, this battery has low temp protection, so if the battery gets too cold, system automatically stops charging below 32 degrees Fahrenheit and discharging below -4 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can still use this battery discharging up to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, while you cannot charge this below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's something to keep in mind, but you really don't have to worry about it because it's got built-in protection, keeping an eye on that for you. And the self-developed 200 amp hour BMS actually has all kinds of protections built in: low temp cutoff, auto recovery after overload, pre-charge function, moisture proof, salt spray resistant. It's going to keep dust, salt spray, different things like that out. It's an extremely versatile battery. Basically, almost all these batteries have this amazing casing on it. So if you want to use it in your home, if you want to use it for your solar setup, if you want to use it hooked into your boat, this is going to be ideal. You got superior EV grade A cells, premium quality for exceptional performance. Utilize top tier EV grade A cells, providing significant advantages over competitors' grade B cells. Grade A cells ensure higher energy density, more stable performance, and longer lifespan. You'll notice some people only rate their batteries up to 1,000 or 2,000 deep cycles. These are rated for 4,000 deep cycles. Longer lifespan, reliability, and consistent power output because of these grade A cells. These cells undergo rigorous quality checks and testing, ensuring that low self-discharge rates and enhanced safety are something that you're going to get. Superior quality not only boasts overall efficiency, but also maximizes the battery's durability and reliability. So this is going to last a very, very long time for you. Ideal for your RV, trailers, campers, home storage, off-grid, and marine. These are the types of batteries that you replace every 10 to 15 years. It is an amazing investment. If you got lead acid batteries, I don't really know what you're doing because these batteries are superior in a big way. You got 1/3 the weight, 2 times usable storage, 72% the size, 3.5 times lifespan. It's kind of a no-brainer. So this is another one of LiTime's low temp protection built-in batteries. Just want to highlight it because right now there are insane sales going on with their 12-volt batteries. Probably because 48 volts getting popular, and now's a great time to pick up some 12-volt stuff. Plus, you can use my promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or description to get over this page, get that deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button, but most importantly, click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about this new tech.